Uganda People's Defence Forces Committee on Monitoring and Evaluation has inspected projects under the UPDF Engineering Brigade. They have visited Entebbe Airport, where the force is constructing a terminal, and Kajansi, where it's constructing an oxygen plant near national medical stores. On ground is an oxygen pump base and the oxygen cylinder already procured. The construction works are expected to take about 6 months.
Plant that is going to be producing oxygen to other national referral hospitals and regional hospitals, and then we are going to provide a fence. We are going to put a parking where the vehicles will be parking as they wait for the oxygen to be delivered to those health facilities. We are going to put a road, and all this work is supposed to take 6 months. I had told you the project cost is 568 million, done in 6 months.
Then inspected the project of completion of Entebbe Airport Terminal under the Civil Aviation Authority, being constructed by the UPDF Engineering Brigade with consultants from St. Togo and partners. Works here are at 42%. The team observed that firefighting pipes had been already installed and wires for bulbs were being fixed. Engineers on this site also said the canopy works are at structure steel level.
We are still within the budget framework. We are within the cost. We have so far consumed 32% of the project cost, and yet we have achieved 42% of the works done. So done is to begin works on a critical path, so that once we finish those works on the critical path, then they can enable us to do these other activities to complement the ones on the critical path, and then we finish in time. I heard you were...
The engineer on both sides raised an issue of extravagant specifications by the MDAs.
From what they briefed us, they carried out a review, and they are now within the reasonable specifications. For example, you may be having things which can be got in the country, and our engineers are keen.
Consultant appreciates UPDF for being compliant to the project design and doing work effectively.
We're conforming to our instructions, but to everybody's surprise, they are conforming to the instructions more than even the civilian contractors. And now we are working as a team. Actually, what we came up now is a concept of working as a team.
Uganda People's Defence Forces Engineering Brigade was contracted to do works at the terminal within a period of 1 year. It expects to complete it within 5 months. I'm Navka Farida and Stephen Kalisia.